Sweet. Okay, so this is our assembled long block. Impulse line is on. Boing. Okay, we're all assembled here. West Coast Saws bark box. And what we're going to do now is fit the tank, which I've never done before, so this is going to be interesting. Now, from what I've seen, is guys wrap this around. String is already popped off. Oh, it works. Okay, that's in there. Bingo, bango, bongo, guys. So then you can see part of the reason why I dyed those black in my dyeing video that no one has watched. That's okay. Okay. Starting to make sense. It's not a blackout saw. I didn't paint the cases black. It's accent. Once you go all black, it looks ridiculous. First is this little grommet guy. Okay. Switch this in. So now, the round guy that comes with your cases. This goes. Oh, it all makes more sense. Because there's your wiring, right? That's where your coil, your plug wire goes. And then your wiring harness goes through this slot here. Okay? So saw is taking shape here. It's taking form. Looks quite nice. It's gonna be a very sharp looking saw. No pun intended. Okay, that's how I have it run, set up. Excuse me. Spring goes on your throttle, like so. Okay. So that hooks on there. It's very difficult to keep everything all together. Nothing's really held in place with anything. Saw's really taking shape here. Okay, fuel line. That's a Stihl 3/4 wrap. It's pretty nice. pressuring. Chinese guy is gonna go ahead. It's kind of just a spacer, that one. So I'm going to put this kill switch on here. New 660 starter. Dyed plastic parts. Shroud, pulley.
Are you doing all your bucket?
Yeah, man. You see it?
Yeah. I see it.
Let's put a bolt in.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Daddy, go and say something. Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, you just help me. Put a big helper.
See? That air goes on in a big air fryer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
On the big air filter.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
See, you know what you do. Stuff is.
Yeah.
Smart boy. Plug wire has to come off. Okay. New Stihl nameplate. Should just snap in. Like so. Right? West Coast saws, felling dogs, 3-point. Okay. For the 661, 660, 66, 64, 500i, 441, 440, and 44. They're all the same. This one goes here. Okay. Still chain catch. Okay. Foam is in the top there. Tygon fuel line. DEI, protect the wire. And right in there, I got a chunk of coarse foam stuffed in there. Alright. Right, guys? Alright, there it is, guys. Project 66 in the bag. Runs like a champ. Thanks for tuning in, guys. It means the world to me that you're checking out my stuff. More stuff to look forward to. Keep tuning on the channel, guys. I'm gonna keep the videos coming. Having a blast doing this stuff. So, project's done, and I'm psyched. Absolutely amped right up. So, yeah. Please like and subscribe. Tune in next time.